Hello. Maybe you have the doubt of how to find the gradient using my formula. The formula I gave you before. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Remember, this is what we had said is the change in y, and this is what we call the change in x. So I am sure that many of you are wondering, like, for example, if I have 1, 2 and 3, 4, how to find the gradient here? We all know that these are the x values and these other ones are the y values, because all the coordinates are the same. But which one do I put first? Like, this is my point 1 and this is my point 2. And why not the opposite? This is point 1 and this is point 2. What I am going to show you in this video is that no matter the order you use, the answer is always going to be the same. So let's go to the matter of this video. If I want to find the gradient given these 2 points, I apply my formula. And I can say that m would be equals to 4 minus 2. Remember, first, on the numerator, I put the differences in y, 4 minus 2, and then the difference in x, that is 3 minus 1. What I have is 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2 also. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. That is the gradient of a line passing through these 2 points. But let's suppose that you take the order in a different way. Let's suppose that you say, well, this is going to be my point 1 and this is going to be my point 2. So, if you try it in different order, you do it like 2 minus 4 divided by 1 minus 3. And I want to make, I want to be very clear about this part. Like when you say 2 minus 4, the order that you're doing is this is first and then this second. For the x coordinate, you have to keep that same order, 1 minus 3. If you put 2 minus 4 on the numerator, then it's incorrect to put on the denominator 3 minus 1, because the order has to be the same. That is 1 minus 3. Let's go into the matter that it's important here. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And a negative divided by a negative is always a positive. So minus 2 divided by minus 2 is also 1. In both cases, the answer is the same. The gradient of a line passing through these 2 points is 1, no matter the order that you use. I'm very sure that now it's very clear for you. Please pay special attention when you have negative signs. Before finishing, I'm gonna do one with negative so that you can see what I am talking about. Let's see. I have a point. Let's say it's minus 1, minus 2. And I have another, let's say minus 3, minus 4. If I want to find the gradient of using these 2 points, that is of a line passing through these 2 points, what I do is, which one are we going to take as number 1, number 2? Any. For example, this is number 1 and this is number 2. So, remember, y first, that is minus 4 minus 2, and then minus 3 minus 1. What I have is what? Minus 4. Remember that negative is positive, so positive 2, and then I have minus 3, and then negative is positive also, so it's positive 1. What I have is what? Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, and then minus 3 plus 1 is also minus 2. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 is 1. So my gradient is again 1. Did you see that you have to take into account the signs? Well, this is it for today, and keep on practicing. Remember, that is the only way to get perfect. Bye-bye.